vehicle, sir? What seems to be... I'm gonna take this, right?
You don't touch one thing in my car. You want to pull your gun on me? You son of a bitch.
Get somebody else to look at now.
Oh my God, you can't pull your gun on me? Look at him. You don't ever reach in my car. You don't ever reach in my car. You understand that? That's a violation of my Fourth Amendment right.
Get out of your vehicle.
You are in trouble, pal. You get your supervisor here right now. And until your supervisor gets here, I'm going to plead the Fifth. Now get your supervisor here. You son of a bitch, and I got you on film doing that. Get your supervisor out here.
Get out of your vehicle.
No.
This video was taken by 65-year-old Thomas Speck in Minnesota. He was on Highway 23, and when he saw a Medicine County Sheriff's deputy, he gave him the bird. That's when the deputy pulled him over. Mr. Speck ended up going to jail. They arrested Mr. Speck, and you can watch the unedited, uncensored, full video at patreon.com/Mrcheckpoint, patreon.com/Mrcheckpoint, and you can watch the full unedited and uncensored videos that we will be posting regularly that are getting taken down on social media. Go check it out and watch the full thing.